Welcome viewers. In this chapter, we will study about the sequence of tenses, meaning and explanation with examples. Sequence of tenses. While writing sentences with one class connected to another, tense in subordinate class should be used keeping in view the tense of the principal class in order to keep the sequence of tenses in order. Sequence of tenses is the principle in accordance with which the tense of the verb in a subordinate class follows the tense of the verb in the principal class. There are certain rules for this. First, when verb in principal class is in present or future tense, the verb in dependent class may be in any tense according to the sense of the sentence. He says that he likes music, or he will say that he likes music. He says that he liked music, or he will say that he liked music. He says that he will work hard, or he will say that he will work hard. When the verb in the principal class is in the past tense, the verb in the dependent class must also be in one or other of the four forms of the past tense. He said that he was late. You said that you would help him. He worked hard so that he might pass. He said that you were working hard. Exception. If the dependent class states a universal truth or a habitual truth, a past tense in the principal class is followed by present tense in the dependent class. He said that the sun rises in the east. You said that you are a vegetarian. A past tense in principal class is followed by any tense in the adverbial class beginning with than as. He liked you more than I do. He liked you more than I like you. He liked you more than I did. He liked you more than I liked you. He liked you more than I shall like you. I valued your friendship more than I value his. I then saw oftener than I see him now. A past tense in principal class may be followed by any tense in the adjectival class as I visited the place where he lives, I visited the place where he lived, I visited the place where he will live. Some other exceptions. He works hard lest he should fail. He talks as if he were mad. I eat that I may live. I shall nurse him that he may live. He died that the king may live. He left by an aeroplane lest he should be late. He behaved as if he were a king. She walked as if she were very beautiful. They walked fast lest they should miss the train. The beggar behaved as if he were blind. Exercise for practice. Insert the correct tense of the verb given in the following blanks. I told him that I was late for school because of told. He walked fast so that he might catch the train because of walked. She told her child that 2 and 2 make 4. This is a universal truth. Little did I know that he is an early bird because of habitual truth. Take medicine lest you should suffer from fever. We shall not visit the zoo if it rains. He worked harder than you do or did. I believe that all is well that ends well. I fear all will fail in the examination because the action is to be taken in future time. I shall ask him whether he stole the book. Thank you, viewers.